Good morning everyone, this is Poonam Darade from the Fundamental Desk Axis Securities. I'll take you through the markets today. Asian markets are trading mixed with overnight gains in oil prices and positive cues from Wall Street. Indian indices are expected to open higher and focus will be on the F&O expiry along with global developments. US markets ended higher led by energy stock as oil rose to about $49 a barrel to hit fresh highs for the year. So far, Dow Jones gained 0.82% to close at 17,852, while Nasdaq gains 0.7% to close at around 4,895. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.28%, while Hang Seng is trading lower by 0.4%. SGX Nifty is trading higher by 0.26%. We have come out with a result update on Redington India. Redington India's Q4 FY16 revenue was higher than our estimates, led by 40% year-on-year growth in the overseas operations and improved performance in India. Q4 growth was largely broad-based across vendors, with Apple posting revenue growth of greater than 100% year-on-year, largely led by full quarter benefits of the relationship extension in UAE and Nigeria. Free cash flow turned positive in Q4 for the company. Management expects growth in India to accelerate with likely improvement in the IT spends by corporates and government and increasing smartphone penetration. Growth rate in overseas operation may moderate given a stronger Q4. Management also plans to reduce working capital days to 2 days to 55 in FY17. On the subsidiary of the company, which is into logistic front, Preconnect continues to deliver strong performance with a revenue growth at 50% year-on-year to Rs 30 crores. Third-party non-Redington business in Q4 FY16 over FY15 and traction continues with online players. EBITDA grew with higher than 75% and PAT grew by about 64%. Net profit margin was 10%, up from 8% in the 9 months FY16. For FY16, revenue and PAT growth year-on-year was 49% and 59% respectively. So we maintain a buy on Redington India as we expect 13% CAGR growth in the revenue and 14% CAGR growth in EPS over FY16-18. Our target price of Rs 195 for Redington India gives our investors an upside of around 61% from the current levels of about 121. Thank you.